With my bare face, let me tour you dito sa aking na-book na hotel. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Para tong apartment hotel kasi meron siya mga co-working space. Basta sobrang complete niya. Anyway, this is the first thing na nagustuhan ko dito. Their bathroom. Complete sila dito. Meron ng shampoo, body wash, towels, mga rug, bidet, and tissue. Grabe, sobrang ganda rin nung tiles. Tsaka nung lighting. Talagang, it's giving. Pagpasok mo, ito yung makikita mo agad. Next, we have this. Actually, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito na maliit lang siya pero very maximized yung space. Dito sa area na to, meron tayong vault na dito. Tapos, we also have Holy Bible. Meron din silang mini ref dito na na-open. So, this one is empty. Pero kung kailangan nyo maglagay, ayan, it's working naman. Pero medyo maliit lang siya. Medyo maliit lang talaga siya. In this area, we have kettle, water, coffee. May phone din sila dito para kung kailangan mo ng something. Ang daming mga sockets dito, bongga, friends. Tapos meron sila dito, wala silang cabinet pero may mga ganito silang rack para sa mga sabitan ng mga damit and whatsoever. In this area, we have another hook, hand soap, mga switch for here. Ayan. Tapos, meron ulit saksakan dito. Grabe, sobrang sagana sila sa saksakan. Dito, meron silang ilaw na ganyan. Tapos, big mirror and faucet. Kala ko hindi working. Ginanong ko lang siya. Ayan. Parang may heater pa nga siya o hot and cold nakalagay. Sobrang aliwalas talaga. And in this area naman, dito ko nilagay yung gamit ko. Meron sila ditong parang table. You can eat siguro here, no? Pero nakaupo ka sa lapag. Pero it's okay. It's comfy naman. Diyan ko lang nilagay yung mga gamit ko. Tapos may laptop, all my things, may bag. And ayan yung tripod. May pinto dito, friends. Pero tagusan yan. If ever kasi na marami kayo, pwede kayong connecting rooms. May pinto dito na opening sa akin. May pinto rin na opening din sa kanila. So, basically, hindi kayo mapapasukan basta-basta. It's secured. So, here we have our bed. This is king-size bed. Dalawa siyang twin, pero hindi siya naghihiwalay. And it feels like it's a king-size bed. So, you can request kung gusto niyo yung twin bed, kasi may ganon, or isang king-size bed. It's actually very, very, very comfy, friends. Lagi ko tong iniiwasan sa Klook, kasi feeling ko it's too good to be true, pero it's really good. It's that good, talaga. Hindi ako nagsisi na binook ko to, kasi nakita ko rin sa mga reviews. Anyway, ayan, may comforter tayo dito, tapos may window tayong maliit dito. It's, naman, pwede siyang i-open. Joke, nakalock. Nakalock siya, pero ayan. Here we have some lamps. Kung gusto nyo, naka-open lang siya. Tapos from there, kung gusto nyong makita kung anong itsura, this is what it looks like. It's very nice, diba? Kung gusto nyo mag-solo living, feeling ko, ganito yung magandang ipeg sa room nyo kung talagang maliit lang yung space nyo. Meron silang divider dito from kama to bathroom. Tapos ayan, meron siyang akyatan na ganyan. And then, ito yung bathroom. And I don't know kung nagtataka kayo, pero feeling ko hindi na kasi nakalagay naman siguro dyan sa thumbnail kung bakit ako nagstay dito and bakit ang dami kong dala. So yesterday, birthday ng lola ni Nel. So I attended and sa kanila na rin ako nag-overnight kasi nga meron akong event today. So the event today is the Amplify event. Content creator event siya. So yun yung isa sa mga agency na nagbibigay sa amin ng work. Actually, hindi talaga ako invited, pero nagkayayaan dun sa group namin. And sabi ng Amplify, pwede mag+1. So, pin+1 ako ni Clark. Thank you, Clark. At saka ni Angelo. Pero later on, minessage din ako ng project manager namin and sinabi sa akin na if I was invited nga ba. Sabi ko, hindi, pero pin+1 ako. So, basically, invited naman yata talaga ako. Parang na-late lang yung invite. Anyway, ayun, makikita ko sila later. And first time namin magkita-kita. Hindi lang kami complete dahil wala si Alex. Pero ayun, parang mga nasa 2 p.m. pa lang. And ang event is 7 p.m. pa. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. So baka bumaba tayo or umakyat tayo para makita yung ibang mga amenities dito. Hindi na rin muna ako mag-aayos kasi para yung ayos ko later, yun na yun. So, ayun friends, samahan niyo ako later kasi it's our first time na makakasama sila and masayang event yung mga ganito. So, makikita niyo kung anong event yung ginagawa namin or ano yung nangyayari kapag may mga content creator events. So, yun lang friends. Later na lang. Bye!
never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck.
Hi friends! So, umakyat lang ako dito sa roof deck kasi magla-lunch tayo. Ang ganda lang view dito. Ayan o. Bongga. Siguro kahit mamayang gabi. Kasi baka di na ako makaakyat kasi sobrang anong oras na din. Pag alas 7, aalis na ako. So, dapat mga 7 nandun na ako. So, mga 6:30 dapat nakaalis na ako. So, hindi ko alam kung makaakyat pa ako dito ulit. And feeling ko maraming tao dun mamaya. Meron silang bar menu. Tsaka mga drinks. Meron silang mga small plates, breakfast. Sobrang bango. Amoy Bicol Express, friends.
And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Share your grocery haul for this month. Usually I allot 5K for my grocery per month, pero sometimes sumusobra din talaga yung budget kasi may mga need akong i-restock. Actually, ang happy ko kasi mostly ng mga brands na ginagamit ko nandito. Tapos, nakasave pa ako ng time. This time, I really said full stock. I got different meats like chicken, pork, and seafood. Some might think it's lonely or awkward, but honestly, I love my own company. Prices and details. Yun lang. Babu!
Maliit pa lang yan kung tawagin siya pando. Lagi kasi nahuhulog.
At kasi talagang laro ka lang sa salimanan. Pag sinabi kasi
Hi friends! So, this is my outfit and tapos na akong mag-ayos. Ayan yung hair ko and naglagay lang ako ng sunglasses and yan yung mga accessories ko. It's already 6:53 and 7 PM yung event. Mga 10 minutes away pa ako pero ayun, aalis na ako friends. Tingnan nyo naman yung kalat. Mamaya ko na lang aayusin pag uwi ko. Anyway, ayan friends, ang aking outfit. See ya!
I got no reason to be sad. My mood always convinced me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say.
Tonight, we're here to celebrate the Awards 2025 the Best of the Best. Ready na kayo? Please welcome Miss Ronnie Glenn.
Sorry, yan! Hi friends! So, I'm here na sa aking unit. And it's already 2 a.m. and kauuwi lang namin kasi nag-coffee shop pa kami. Hindi na pala ako nakapag-video pero here are the photos. And ayan, binigyan kami ng kit from Amplify. Papakita ko sa inyo. Pero tatanggalin ko lang muna yung mga accessories ko and something else kasi ang bigat na ng tenga ko. Sobrang bigat ng tenga ko. Tsaka feeling ko ang tagal na talaga sa face ko nung makeup. Sobra ako nag-enjoy today, friends. As in. Kasi, first time namin magkita-kita. As in, ang dami naming kita. Tapos, nasulit talaga namin yung oras. Nagkayayaan din mag-coffee shop muna para hindi na mag-uwian after agad. And naisip ko rin na pag-uwi namin, sobrang tahimik ng bahay na uuwian namin kasi nga, mag-isa kami lahat. So, ayun, parang yung coffee shop, naging warm up namin siya bago kami umuwi. And in fairness naman sa mga kuko ko, tumagal naman siya. Mga 15 minutes away or mga 10 minutes away lang yung baked studio dito. So, sa movie, mga 50 to 60 pesos lang yung pamasahe ko. So, bago tuluyang matapos tong video na to, let me share yung kung ano yung mga nakuha namin. So, binigyan nila kami ng ganitong bag. First, we have this. Ayan, may unan. Then, this is mirror. Wala na yung isa, oh. Ngayon lang siya natanggalin, fair. Next is tumbler. Another tumbler na naman na baka hindi ko magamit. Ayan. Ganda, violet. It's their color. And, alcohol. And, parang bookmark. Kasi double, siya, double-sided. Social anxiety is scared of me. Parang ako ang takot sa social anxiety. Charing. Tapos, wala na mga fillers na lang to. So, that's it, friends. Thank you so much, Amplify. And thank you, Lord, sa mga nakasama ko po today. And natuloy na rin ang aming lakad. Sobrang saya. Ang dami na napag-usapan. As in, hindi na dapat pang i-share sa public. Pero, I'm so thankful na meron akong nakasama ng mga nakaka-relate ako sa life. Ganyan, yung napag-usapan namin. Parang, lahat nag-agree kasi most of us nararanasan yung ganun and whatsoever. Pero ayun, thank you guys so much sa pagsama sa akin for today. And thank you, Living Alone Neighbors. Online neighbors ang tawag sa amin kasi meron kaming GC. So, thank you so much sa mga pinagchikahan natin today kung pinapanood nyo to. Ayun, maraming salamat din, friends. And siguro tapusin ko na yung video na to. Tomorrow, meron akong appointment for my hair and my nails. Pero baka hindi ko na kayo maisama. If you wanna know more about it, you can follow me on all my social media handles kasi baka i-upload ko naman yun. Normally, pag Sunday, it's a solo date. Anyway, that's it, friends. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin for today. And thank you so much, Amplify, for the opportunity. And thank you sa mga nakasama ko na kanina. Ayun lang, friends. See you again on my next vlog. Yun lang. Babu!
Just find your gratitude.